be a superhero. You can't be selfish.
I learned tonight that having a unique view is a positive thing, but it might not always be the best thing or the right answer.
I learned that the Green Lantern is not a good guy.
Don't be selfish. Don't abuse your powers.
I learned that superheroes can be selfish.
Superheroes have great responsibilities that they have to do before they use it for personal use.